Monday morning here. I'm getting ready to start a big project. I don't know how long it's going to take me, but I want to prep a few things before I get started, and a lot of it's going to be, I think, pretty heavy work, but we'll see what happens. I'm looking forward to getting started, but I'm definitely more looking forward to it being done because it's something that I have been wanting to do, but also avoiding to do at the same time. If you've been following us, we did the washer and dryer right here, but unfortunately the run is huge. It goes all the way down there, all the way there, and all the way down. Well, from this point on it existed. I just tied into it, but there is no almost no grade to it, so it's not easy to it's not possible really to do what we needed to, because water gets caught in between, and there's some right there, you can see that it's slumping down, so things are getting stuck. And then I saw that there was an old pipe right there which is rotten and completely rotten, and I'm guessing since it happens to be right below that, I bet you it came down this way and it went out there and then off to the sewer line. So what I did is I started digging out to dig enough to find it on the outside and possibly take PVC, go down there and then go off, because there's going to be gradient and it's going to be going straight down. The problem is we have a deck in the way. removed as many planks as I could. The next one is underneath this, so I would have to remove all of this to get to it, or at least the bottom of this, which I don't want to do quite yet. Eventually I will. Anyway, so I got down. It seems like these beams are pretty good. I think they're 2x8s, maybe 2x10s. I haven't measured them. I'm guessing 2x8s. And there we go. I marked here where the pipe comes down to, which is about where those paint runs are. And I'm gonna start digging here in a minute to see if I can find the pipe. The pipe should be about 6 to 8 inches down, and I'm guessing at some point it turns that way, but I'm seeing there's a root right there, some old bush maybe that they had, and then one right there. So I'm wondering if those were what caused the problem initially and broke the pipe, but obviously they have been cut a long time ago. After about, I would say maybe 3 hours worth of digging and cleaning up, this is what I have uncovered so far. First of all, from yesterday, and I cleaned up some of that yesterday. I'm not completely done. I need to clean out that area there more. But I found out that that was an old, what do you call it? It's an old drain for a washer and dryer, because that's where on the other side is where they used to be, and here's the vent for it. So it has a, I think it's called a gooseneck right there, where it's flooded with water, obviously, so gases do not come out. This, I'm not 100% sure where it goes to. This one goes to the toilet, this one the downstairs, and then this one also goes, I think, this way, or it's just a drain. I think it might just be a drain, honestly. And after 3.5, almost 4 hours, I've gone all the way to there on the one side, and all the way to there on this side. Quick update, after about another 4, well, most likely, I don't know, a few 5-6 hours, something like that, I was able to break all the way through. You can see the light on that side, and I've caught up to the pipe, and I'm pretty sure the next pipe goes up that way. So after, I don't know, I would say maybe 20 minutes or so, I dug down, and that lighter color thing that you see right there, that's the top of the pipe, and I found out where it comes out of, and all I need to do now is connect that to there. It's maybe 6 inches that way, maybe less, and then also to here, but it's getting really close because I think I poked the hole through, but it's a very little one, so we'll see.